To start setting up OnVIF, I will begin by explaining that OnVIF is a universal protocol that allows us to connect equipment from different brands. Here we have a Hikvision camera, and this is a Dahua NVR. For them to communicate, it is necessary to have a universal protocol called ONVF. Let's make the physical connections here. We have here, this is a switch. Let's have the practical hands-on connections. Let's first take this cable, which we will connect from the camera to the switch. This is a PoE switch. I will connect it directly here. You can choose any port here and connect to the camera, which will also receive here a PoE. I'll check the link. Okay, it's working. Then I'll take this cable, I'll connect it to the camera. I'll connect it here to the camera. In other words, I will take this cable and connect it to the NVR. I have already connected the camera. I will connect it to the NVR. Here on the NVR, I will not connect it to the PoE area. No, this will always be for the camera. I will connect it here to the link, uplink, which will take this information and send it to the switch. But I need at this moment to know which one is activate the OnVIF protocol on the camera. So I will need a computer because I also need to know what the IP of this camera is. I will connect here to the uplink for the computer. I have the physical connection made. Now I will access the computer to find out what the IP is and activate the OnVIF protocol. Only then can we add it to our NVR. I will access the camera with the respective password and user. Well, I already have access to the camera. I have access to the camera. I have the camera image here. Okay. If I want, I go here in configuration. So we can see activate the service protocol. Let's go here in configuration. Let's go here in network service. And in the network service, we go here. In the network service, we will see the port. The HTTP port is the ON5 port. If this HTTP port, for example, is 80, 80, 80, 81, it is the port we will use to configure the camera on the NVR. But I need to activate the OnVIF service. I go here to advanced settings. After that, I go to integration protocol. In integration protocol, I will find here activate OnVIF, because if it's not active here, I can't access the camera via OnVIF. We will have to check this. It's active, then we go here to save. These are two important points: activating the service and knowing the port protocol, the HTTP port. Once that's done, it's okay. I can easily exit and will add this camera to the NVR. To add this camera to the NVR, I will access the NVR. Put in the password. Here on the Dahua NVR, in this NVR, I'll go to camera, then I'll go to add. Add, I'll choose the channel. There are 4 channels, D1 to D14, okay? In protocol, I'll choose OnVIF protocol, and I'll enter the camera's IP, 39 OnVIF protocol. The HTTP port, port 80, whatever is configured on the camera is what we should put here. If by chance, for security reasons, we change this port to 80, 81, 80, 80, then it is the same port we should put here on the NVR, and we will add. Let's add the password. The password is very important, okay? And then we click here on save. Here's the camera is processing, is in red. When it turns green, it's clear that it's already recording. It appears here in green. Otherwise, if I exit here, in live view, I have the camera here. I'm working with a Dahua NVR with a Hikvision camera through the OnVF protocol. So that's how it's configured in practice. Well, I hope you liked it. And anything I'm here, Trainer Verissimo, I like to learn, I love to teach.